Are you looking for how to fix Facebook back button not working problem or back button not working on Facebook app? In this video, I show you how to fix Facebook back button not working problem on Android phone. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, update Facebook to latest version. Now go back to home screen, then go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Facebook app, tap on Facebook, tap on storage, tap on clear data, tap on delete. Now tap on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now back to go home screen. Now open Facebook app, tap on Facebook, log into your Facebook account, then tap on save. Now you can check that back button is working. If this method not working, then go to settings, then search for navigation bar, tap on navigation bar. Now tap on swipe gesture. Now open again Facebook app. Now you can see that back button is working. I hope that this method fix Facebook back button not working problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Namaskar.